Hi, welcome to another episode of Unmute Yourself, where real, raw conversations happen. Hi, I'm Preeti, your host, and today we are going to talk about what most of us are seeking. In a world that rarely stops, how do we find that inner peace? I'm not talking about the one that comes with scrolling your mobile phones or binging. I'm talking about what that does not shift, that calmness, that peace. Right? So, here today we have with us Shikha, who lives by this calmness on a daily basis. She's a spiritual healer who works with energy and inner alignment. Hi, Shikha. Welcome to the podcast.
Hi Preeti, thank you so much. I'm glad to be here and I'm looking forward for this conversation because inner calm isn't just a nice idea, but it's a basic human need.
That's correct. It is the need, it is the necessity in today's time. But Shikha, help me when we talk about spiritualism or somebody who's very spiritual, we normally think of people in robes or maybe following some particular rituals or religion. Is it really like that or is it a myth?
So, spirituality is not only about religion, spirituality is about your own personal connection. It's just like coming home to your own self, it's just like connecting to nature, it's just like connecting to the universe, connecting to the higher power, which everybody says there is a higher power. And it could be as small as going for a nature walk. It could be having your own cup of tea with your bliss, with that calmness. So spirituality is can be experienced with or without religion.
Wow. So ultimately, it all is connected somewhere, right? And when we talk about connection, this is something that I have noticed in my coaching conversations as well with my clients. When we take that shift from looking for the outer validation, the external validation, and moving more inwards, just that slight shift, I think that connects somewhere. And I think that is what healing is all about. But when we are talking about healing here, Shikha, in today's world, which is totally chaotic, right? It is disturbing. How do we find inner peace? Is it really possible or not? Help me there.
Yeah, so you basically what happens is in today's world we all are constantly plugged into noise, notification, expectations, opinion for so many people, and the voice inside us, we just lose our own voice and we tend to lose our own self. And sometimes in that whole world you don't listen to your own body, which says, I am tired, I need to rest. Here where Reiki comes in. Reiki is all about energy. It's about connecting universal life force energy and to this prana, this body which you have been given by God. It needs to be taken care of, and there where we just neglect our body. So Reiki helps you to connect with your own body, with your own mind, just do that touch healing so that you can take rest.
Okay. I'll share my example with you, like what I experienced when I experienced Reiki for the first time, Shikha. So, to be very honest, it was nothing magical, right? But there was a change, there was a pause that came, right? So, it was as if I don't have to hurry about everything. I started taking things slowly. And what I observed after some time is I was feeling more lighter, as if some weight has been lifted off my shoulders. And that is so true. We don't know the amount of weight we are carrying on our shoulders, on our chest, till the time it is lifted. It could be any modality, right? In my case, it was Reiki. So that is my experience. Might be right, might be wrong, but yes, it was the experience that I would want to share with all of
So
you.
I would like to add something that Reiki activates parasympathetic nervous system, which just simply means rest and digest. It helps you to even sleep better. It also helps you to digest your food better. It also helps you to deal with chronic anxiety, and it helps you to sleep calmly.
Oh, great. So if we want to do or try Reiki, we need not believe in it. I think we can just be like willing to try it out. We can do that.
Yeah, definitely. We can just try a quick practice here right now.
That would be great.
Then
Yes.
so there are two things which is needed for this practice. So first, let's just open our
Okay.
arms.
I'll do it.
So open your arms and then you have to just close your eyes. Okay. So the first step towards Reiki or any kind of a healing which you're taking it, there should be a personal alignment. You should allow Reiki energy to flow into it. You should be ready to receive that help, that energy from the universe. That being heard by the universe. And the second practice which we are going to do is going to take 2 deep breaths. Let's start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now just try to focus on your breath. Yes, this breath which God has given us, we hardly take out 2 minutes in a day to focus on this breath. So whenever you're coming to this breath, just smile and thanks to God for making you feel alive. You can slowly open your eyes. Isn't it just amazing to feel alive in that moment?
It is actually. It is so simple yet so powerful.
Yeah.
And this is, I guess, we all are missing out on this kind of a pause regularly throughout the day. So maybe we don't need retreats. We just need these kind of reminders. Maybe once a day, twice a day, or even thrice, if you just remember. But it is a powerful one. So please try that.
Absolutely correct. Healing is all about feeling that small shift, that small alignment, the small pauses which we take during our whole day. It helps you to regulate your emotions better. So it doesn't mean that life is going to be stop hard to you or it is going to be, very good. It is just that you will be able to deal with your emotions quite well in those hard situations.
Wow, and that is what I also believe in. Be it Reiki, be it coaching or any other modality, or just these kind of silent reminders that we have to spend that time with ourselves. I think that is all that matters.
Yeah, correct.
Right? And yes, if any of you is feeling alone right now, feeling stressed or maybe feeling disconnected, try this tool out. Like, it will definitely work, and there is no harm in trying. You just have to remember one thing: however you are not alone. We all are there for you, right? You are human, and that's enough.
Beautifully said, Preeti. I really like that sentence coming from your side. We need to just allow it, just feel it, go with the flow, go with that breath, and go more self-honoring.
Thank you, Shikha, for such an honest and grounding conversation. So, to all our listeners, if you are not spiritual, that's perfectly okay. Just be happy the way you are. Take these small pauses, spend time with yourself. Just try if not looking out for external validation. Look inwards, and that is what all connection is about. And when you start connecting with yourself, that is where the healing begins. Definitely there are tools for that, and this is just one of the tools. And if you like this, please drop in a message. We'll be sharing more tools with you, and we can talk about it in detail. That would be all from our side today. Thank you so much, Shikha, for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.